Hello viewers, welcome back to Renka Kitchen. In today's video we are making rhubarb celery ginger drink. This drink has a lot of vitamins. For the ingredients, we have rhubarb, celery and ginger. We will start by getting the ginger ready. A thorough washing is expected at this stage. The next is to start juicing them out.
I made use of 3 ingredients to do this, and as you can see, it is also showing me the 3 ingredients. This is so beautiful.
This is a body replenishing drink that will help you get most of the vitamins that you don't get on cooked food. It will also keep your body calm for the day's activities. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.